Is the new 11-inch iPad the perfect blend of power and affordability? Let's dive into what makes this tablet a standout choice for 2024. Introducing the 2024 11-inch Apple iPad, designed to deliver top-tier performance without the Pro price tag. It's packed with features for everyone, from students to creative professionals. Experience smooth multitasking, a stunning display, and all-day battery life. This iPad is built to handle your daily demands with ease. Under the hood, the A16 Bionic chip ensures supersonic speed. Apps open instantly, and gaming or multitasking feels incredibly fluid with no detectable lag. The gorgeous 11-inch liquid Retina display brings your content to life. Colors pop with vibrant clarity, making movies and creative work a visual delight. Boasting 11+ hours of battery life, this iPad is an endurance king. Forget charging worries, it keeps up with your busiest days, from work to entertainment. Plus, it fully supports Apple Pencil and Magic Keyboard Folio. Transform your iPad into a powerful drawing canvas or a portable workstation on the go. While powerful, it doesn't feature the M-series chip, meaning no Apple Intelligence. Older Apple Pencil compatibility might require an adapter, a minor inconvenience. The design remains familiar, not a fresh new look. However, customers rave about its fantastic speed, value, and ease of use. The 2024 11-inch iPad hits an ideal sweet spot, pro-level performance with mainstream-friendly pricing. It nails the essentials for everyday needs. Ready to upgrade your digital experience? Find the Apple iPad 11-inch 2024 available now on Amazon. Click the link in our bio to learn more and make it yours.